Realty Report, January 2025. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope you had a great New Year's celebration, a great holiday weekend. So we're going to go into like a little bit of a new format starting this year. So of course we're going to go into the data. I know that's important to a lot of people. We get a lot of great feedback with that. But starting this year, we're going to have a lot of content going to mortgage rate predictions, price predictions, and other predictions in the real estate market. So we're not going to be very data heavy this month. Instead, we're going to go into 3 practical tips you can take right now to get yourself ready for 2025 with your real estate and housing. As always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions at all. We look forward to hearing from you. No question is too small. Now let's get to the content and let's see what's going on.
Last month, the housing market showed strong growth with existing home sales up by 4.8%. This is the highest pace since earlier in the year and reflects a steady rebound. Year over year, sales increased by 6.1%, a clear sign that demand is holding strong. Median home prices rose, continuing their upward trend for the 17th consecutive month. This suggests that buyers are still active even as prices rise. However, inventory remains tight. There's just a 3.8-month supply of homes available at current sales rates, which is low by historical standards. This limited supply is keeping prices steady and creating a competitive environment for buyers. First-time buyers represented 30% of all purchases last month, showing that despite higher prices and mortgage rates, new buyers are still entering the market. This is slightly lower than the previous year, but it still highlights the ongoing appeal of home ownership. Looking at the broader picture, the market is adjusting to higher mortgage rates, with a 30-year fixed rate hovering around 6.6%. While this is down slightly from the previous year, it's still higher than earlier levels, impacting affordability for some buyers. Overall, the housing market remains resilient. Prices are holding steady, demand is strong, and even with limited inventory, buyers are finding opportunities. As we move toward the end of the year, the market is expected to continue this trend, with both buyers and sellers navigating a dynamic environment.
The first tip is filing your beneficial ownership report. This is a federal requirement for business owners and property owners who own their property under an LLC. The deadline to file is January 1st, 2025, and failure to file can lead to harsh financial penalties. Filing is straightforward. You'll need to submit details about the beneficial owners, such as names, addresses, and other information. This can be done online, and it's a quick but essential step to maintain compliance. Ignoring this requirement could have significant financial and potential legal consequences. Take action now if you haven't already, and contact us if you need help or resources. Next, review your savings and investment account interest rates. Many banks quietly lower their rates, and with inflation cooling, rates on money market accounts and online saving accounts have dropped. Believe it or not, banks are not required to notify you when the interest rate on your account changes. We've created a spreadsheet you can use to track your accounts and suggest setting a reminder to review your rates every 6 to 12 months. If you're holding I-bonds, it may also be time to evaluate whether to redeem them. Staying proactive with your accounts ensures you're maximizing your returns and avoiding missed opportunities. Finally, it's time to review your property tax figures, insurance policies, and if applicable, your rental income. Updating your property tax card is an annual must, and if you ever thought about challenging your property taxes, we can help. We've assisted many clients in creating successful strategies to reduce their tax burden. We also recommend reviewing your insurance coverage to ensure you're not underinsured or overpaying. Feel free to schedule a call, and we'd be happy to take a look for you. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. We have a lot of great content coming in 2025. It should be a very exciting year, very challenging year in some cases, but we're happy to help you through that, answer any questions you have, and help you make advanced real estate plans for whatever you're trying to do. So no question is too small, and we look forward to hearing you well in advance of your move. We have a great saying, real estate planning is done in advance. So happy to hear from you and happy to strategize and brainstorm any questions with you. So make it a great day, and if you like this format, feel free to let us know. We make this report with you in mind. Also feel free to let us know if we can make any improvements and cover any topics that you like. So make it a great day. We look forward to seeing you in 2025.